Hello to all of you. I'm Keith Gardner. I made the decisions to share my GIS knowledge during this pandemic time. I really appreciate your criticizing comments about my work and my presentation's content. In these lessons, I want to introduce you to ARC Map software interface. In here, I'm using ARC Map 10.3 version. In ARC Map 10.3 versions, I want to explain what is the table of contents and where we can find the table of contents. Also, where is located ARC catalog and what we can do using ARC Toolbox. Also, what is the search panel and what we can do using search windows. What is the data views and layout views. Finally, what are the toolbars? In here, I going to explain only standard and toolbar. When you open up ArcMaps 10.3 software, this will be your interface. I'm here labels table of content. This is belong to this area. It's named as table of content. This is the where we store our data and layers file when we doing our analysis and performing GIS work. Then you can see these type of icons on the tools bar. It is the icon for the ARC catalog windows. Next to the ARC catalogs icon, you can see this type of icon. It is called search icon. When you click on this search icon, you will appear search panel. This area is called tools bar. Those we can simply do our work using these tools. You can see this red icon. It is called a toolbox icon. I'm already in here this ARC toolbox and I want to move into this area. This is the data views and layouts view. Okay, I move into my ARC GIS software. This is what you get when you open up your ARC GIS 10.3. This is the area I mentioned table of content. I click on this heading and drag into middle part of the area of my windows to clear vision. The table of contents contains our layers and data files. We can simply visualize required data layers using this table of content. We can drag anywhere of this table of content, but I like to keep this place that panel. If you don't see this table of content when you open up ARC Maps, you can simply click on this icon and it will appear like this. Same as if not this is open up, you can go to Windows and you can find table of contents this area and click on it, it will appear that place. Then I want to move into these ARC catalog icons. When you click on this ARC catalog, This type of panels will be appear. This is called ARC catalog windows. This will comes up separated parts of software and inbuilt in this software. This is inbuilt part of ARC catalog software. We can manage our data and our file folders using this ARC catalog. We can also create files and other shape files and other copy paste cut, those kind of things we can do using this ARC catalog. Then I want to explain what is ARC Toolbox. This icon belongs to ARC Toolbox. When you click on this, on top of this icon, this type of windows will appear on your screen. This is the ARC Toolbox. This is hundreds of tools contain this ARC Toolbox. There are many tasks we can do using this ARC catalog. When you click on this plus mark, it will expand into other parts. When you click on this icon, it is expanding another. Those are our tools when we perform analysis. Another way, you can overlay. There are several tools inside the overlay like this. Then I want to move into search icon. This is the search icon you can find on the tools bar. Right? When you click on this tool, this type of panels will be appear. If you already know your tools names, you can simply type your tools names on the box here. I type buffer and click on search icon. It will suggest several icons. If I click on buffer analysis tool, it will get buffer tools. We can perform buffer using this tool. I cross this, and if you click on this green area, green line, just like you can find where the located inside the toolbox our tool. It is very essential when we use as a beginner. It is a search. This is a search word. We can click on this area, right? Then I want to explain another part of when these items cannot find. You can simply go Windows and you can click on catalog or search like we did in the table of contents. Right. Now I want to move into this corner of the area. This is the data views and this is the layout view. Data views mean when we perform our GIS work, you can visualize this area, our data, as a layer file. When we want to final output like a map, we simply go to the layout view. It will guide you to make a layout as you wish. Then I again move into data views, and final topic is my introduction to toolbar. This area contains tools. Each tools have a set of bar. This is the standard tools bar. I drag here to clear visions, and in this dotted line, when you move up onto top of that dotted line, the cursor appear like this. When you drag and drop into any any area of this toolbar, there are another toolbar is called layout, and again likewise I drag these toolbars also here. This is toolbar. If you cannot see any of toolbars, or you want to get more about toolbar, you simply go this empty area and right click on this area, and you will appear there are several tools bar. If I want to get geoprocessing tools bar, I simply find this geoprocessing toolbars and click on it. It will appear geoprocessing toolbar, georeferencing tools bar. Sorry, georeferencing toolbar. I cross it using this cross mark, and I again drag this standard toolbars to here, and tools bars to here, and finally our layout toolbars also I keep this area. Alright, I think today my lessons will be over, and in next lessons I will hope to explain how to create a shape file using ARC catalog. Until that, I hope to do these experiments with yourself, and see you again. Thank you for watching.